Hello, dragons. As you know, most of the businesses are negatively affected by the corona spread. And if you don't know, check our previous video on 10 businesses falling due to coronavirus. But there are a number of industries that are booming due to this pandemic situation. Businesses with necessary products and services that serves general public while in lockdown are in high demand and has escalated their business exponentially. Perhaps this video will give you some perspectives and insight about our current economy. Welcome to Wild Dragon, the place where future dragons come to ignite their fire. While many people are losing their jobs, there are some sectors that are giving us a ray of hope in this hard time. Today we are focusing on those. So let's get started. Number 1, e-learning. People stuck at home are learning new courses from e-learning sites like Coursera, Khan Academy to improve their skills. Entrepreneurs, investors, business owners are learning new strategies to pivot their business models to fire up after the pandemic ends. It's an impactful industry as a lot of students are learning virtually from all around the world. Many are asking themselves, do I really need to go to school? Will only getting a degree prepare me for a brighter future? All these questions will mold them to take independent, mature decisions in their life at an early stage. And dragons stick around to see how an Indian startup is using robotics to curb corona spread. Number 2, online gaming industry. One of the major options to reduce boredom due to home isolation is through online gaming. Here you can interact with other gamers through voice chats, giving you a real-time experience. Investments from big companies such as Alibaba, Tencent, Nazara, and Yuzo has led to a rapid growth of gaming in India. The market value of the gaming industry in India was around 62 billion Indian rupees with an estimated 300 million gamers in 2019 and is estimated to go over 250 billion rupees by 2024 with billions of dollars in profit and over 2.5 billion gamers around the world. We can expect video game platforms to continuously boom in this pandemic. Games like PUBG, Fortnite, Ludo King are growing exponentially in this period. Number 3, e-commerce and delivery services. E-commerce has been on a solid trajectory since a few years, but the immediate need of groceries and essential products from home in this lockdown has made startups like Grofers and Big Basket more valuable. After the government relaxed some lockdown rules in green and orange zones, it caused an immediate spike on delivery services. One of the prompting companies like Amazon declared to create jobs for 1 lakh employees. Even after the lockdown ends, delivery companies like Delhivery, Ecom Express, DTDC will keep on booming. Number 4, telecom industry. In lockdown, we can't share beautiful moments like having a tea with a friend or a family gathering. Telecom industry is helping us to create such moments with our family and friends via phones, laptops, etc. Apps like Google Duo, WhatsApp makes our presence to some other places with the maintenance of social distancing. People in lockdown are spending their most of their time surfing the net or watching YouTube videos. Thus, these big telecom giants for internet and voice service providers like Jio are growing rapidly. All this has led to major investments by international companies like Facebook Silver Lake, KKR, up to 80,000 crore on Jio platform. Number 5, mask, medical supply and hand sanitizers. The global demand for items like face masks, disposable gloves and ventilators is unmatched. Panic buying has led to shortages of gloves, face masks and medical cleaners. Manufacturers and supply chains are working around the clock to keep up the demand, but they are still not able to manage. Washing hands repeatedly, especially when on the move is time consuming. Since soap and water are not available everywhere, here comes the vital role of hand sanitizers in facilitating hand hygiene. Hand sanitizer is probably the most in demand product right now at par with face masks. Number 6. Cleaning services. Cleaning services is observing an unexpected upturn in sales as they battle to keep up with the demand of sanitizing the public places. Frequent cleaning and the requirement of stronger germ killing chemicals in the commercial buildings and medical facilities have made them the major consumers of these services. This is the sector where the staff requirement is still strong and looks set to remain stable as standards will remain high even after the end of this pandemic. Number 7. Video streaming platforms. We always had an unsatisfied appetite for better content, but after the rise of big players of video in demand platforms like Amazon, YouTube, and Netflix, their subscriptions have increased rapidly, especially during the lockdown. More leisure time have made people to change platforms from one provider to other. An urge to watch new every time is pushing the content producer to think and write about new content, which consequently will boom up the production even after the lockdown. Number 8. Drones. Drone delivery seemed more like a novelty than a reality. But since the corona pandemic took hold, drones are being employed in many roles. Hyderabad police use drones for surveillance to monitor sensitive areas in the city. Visuals from drones always update the cops about the situation in the sensitive areas. China, from where this pandemic originated, also used drone technology to warn people to stay at home and advise them to wear masks. Countries like Spain, Italy use the drone technology for medical deliveries, spraying disinfectant over large areas and attach thermal cameras to take people's body temperature. Number 9. Fitness equipment companies. As gyms are closed everywhere, a new trend of home fitness has started since online shopping platforms started again. The number one selling fitness product in India right now is yoga mats. But many technology startups are growing their sales up with internet connected fitness equipment so that users stay connected to a greater fitness community. Live and recorded instructions from experts turn your home into an interactive gym. The sales of this sector is skyrocketing day by day. Number 10. Video conferencing and document handling. Many companies have rapidly adopted to work from home as soon as shutdowns were implemented. This opens up a huge demand for services to connect work teams together. There have been a sudden uptick in sign-ups for online conferencing, work groups, and collaboration sites like Zoom, Google Meet that help host business operations smoothly. Another requirement of working from home is remote document signing, scanning, and secured sending. This is prompting software sign-up as staffs are away from the office printers that would ordinarily conduct this type of documentation work. Well, Dragons, that's a wrap for today. What is the most essential service you are using to get through this time? How has this pandemic affected your access to services you need and how are you managing it? Let us know in the comment section and for sticking with us until the end. Here is that bonus point you deserve. Entrepreneurs and innovators across India have responded quickly to the challenge posted by the pandemic with trend engineering talent and so-called Jugaad system. A particular problem that will grow as lockdown eases will be how to stop the virus spreading in public spaces such as airports or bus stations. Asimov Robotics, a startup based in Kerala, has deployed robots at entrances to office buildings and other public places to dispense hand sanitizers and deliver public health messages about the virus. These robots are also being deployed in hospital isolation wards to carry food and medicines, which eases the pressure on medical staff. Thank you for spending some time with us, Dragons. Make sure to like, share and subscribe so you never miss another video.